Welcome back to the Keto Bistro weigh-in day, end of week 7 results. So we're going to look at the progression chart first. I always like to look at this to see where I'm at. So I'm right at the end of the stalling period. So I should start seeing some weight loss. I'm looking to go below 200. Let's see. $198.8. So I'm going to say $199. That's great. So that was a 3-pound loss in a week. Perfect. Okay, so what's new this week? I made it below 200 pounds, so my first goal was to reward myself with a cut and color, and you can see that I really, really need it. So I suggest making a chart or using a calendar and just marking off pounds as you go and rewarding yourself with something. So this was my first goal, to get under 200 and to reward myself, and I was about to break down and go get my hair fixed anyway. So as I was saying, I reached my first goal of under 200, and I went to reward myself with a haircut and color. So it looks great. I feel great. Smaller, hair fixed, ready to go. So make sure you reward yourself with some treats, whatever it is that you want, after you reach small goals to keep yourself going. So what did I eat this week? I have a few new things, and all these videos and recipes are on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe. So chicken parmesan, this is one of my favorites that I've had so far. Delicious, tastes like the real thing. It's not fried, it is the shredded chicken. Also, easy chicken wings. These were extremely good. You can flavor them any way you want. I just flavored them with a sort of a rotisserie style seasoning, but you can do buffalo if you would like. Mud cakes. I'm not real big on mud cakes. This actually tasted pretty good. My kids helped me make it. Top it with Cool Whip, and it is delicious. Snack item 2 for weekly snack prep, Baby Bell cheese. They have different flavors. These are the original, and they're already portioned out for you, so no portioning. Great macros, 70 calories for one, 6 grams of fat, 0 carbs, and 5 grams of protein. So just pop one of these in your lunch or have one for a snack. I like to take them in my lunchbox, whether I eat them with my meal or as a snack. So stay tuned for updates on weigh-ins, updates on meals, and I'm going to start adding some meal prep videos. So don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated. Thanks for watching the Keto Bistro.